You know that I like to print out my stats before running the optimizer. You have the whole multi-data testing framework that you can run, and you'll make sure that all of my back tests are built in a way that will make them super easy to run with all of the data. You'll make sure to make a folder if it's a bunch of different back tests under the same strategy, because I tend to test a bunch of different ideas in one back test. So you'll make a folder for that. You'll just know all of these things. You'll have example back tests that will help guide you. So whenever we talk about back testing, you pop in and you see, okay, what step are we at? Do we need help building it? If we need help building it, let me make sure to check out my files, like the multi-data backtesting file. And let's make sure that we're setting up the backtests correctly to work with our common data. Let's make sure all those things. Then if I'm looking to run a backtest, well, you'll know how to run them as well, because they should be set up and helped by you in order to keep everything aligned and built correctly from the start. Because if we correctly build things from the start for this multi-data testing, every single backtest that I ever create will have 30 plus different data sources that will be testing, timeframes, etc. Okay, you know the job. I've rambled enough. Thank you. Yeah, let's just go ahead and say that. I'm going to say generate an agent from description. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I've rambled enough, son. So she's generating a sub agent. Yo, that's hella funny, bro. That's hella funny, dog. Why they look so different? Why do they look so different when they get grooved? Oh my goodness. All right, so create new agent here. Let's see what she said. You're creating multiple trading strategies. Each strategy builds to be tested on many different data sets. We've got the multi-data tester, good. What it does, automatically tests your data against 29 data sets, great. Having a robot assistant that runs your experiment on every possible data set while you grab coffee, great. Instead of 29 manual tests, you run your strategy file once and get results for everything. Strategy files, combiner. The workflow, create the strategy, buy when price drops, okay. Run it once, test on Bitcoin, Ethereum, get results, okay. Imagine you're a chief or a chef with 5 different sauce recipes. Beautiful, dude. That's what we built, but for trading. What do I do now? Oh, I just hit continue. Sonat, no way. Opus. She always. What color should we give her? Let's give her cyan. Press S or enter to save, E to save, edit, E to save and edit. Okay, so we have a backtest architect. What's this one? View agent.